So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga babaguhin ang font size sa ating WhatsApp account. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And upon to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp account or yung ating WhatsApp app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa chat list or inbox, itap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, after yun guys, may magpa-pop up na option. So, itatap lang natin dito is yung settings. So, dito naman sa settings guys, ang itatap nyo is yung chats. So, tap nyo yung chats. And then, after yun guys, dito sa chats, pumunta lang kayo dito sa chat settings and then hanapin nyo yung font size. So, tap nyo naman yung font size. And dito guys, may magpa-pop up ulit na option. So, dito kayo mamimili kung anong size ang gusto nyo na mag-appear or maging display sa inyong WhatsApp. So, pwedeng gawing small. Tap nyo lang yung small, medium, or large. So, for example guys, is gawin nating small. So, kapag okay na, naka-small na, tap natin yung okay. So, ayan guys, automatic yan. Once na pumili kayo or pinalit na ninyo yung font size, yun yung mag-a-appear sa inyong inbox or dun sa inyong conversations. So, dun lang siya magiging effective guys. Pero yung mga nandito sa settings is the same. So, makikita nyo lang yung difference once na nagchat-chat kayo or nagsisend kayo ng message sa WhatsApp. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga babaguhin ang font size sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.